Hey, Mike down here, Mike's Off-Road. Just giving you a little update. You probably saw the video of this E250 van. Did a four-wheel drive conversion. U-joint four-wheel drive conversion. Check it out. We got our Dana 60 mounted, leaf spring conversion. Everything come out super nice on this unit. Right now, here we are waiting again on parts. You know, we appreciate you people being patient. Parts are the hard part today. Just trying to get stuff in here. Getting it shipped in here. Waiting on wheels and tires right now. So, as you can see, we got this thing sitting on jack stands. So until we get those wheels and tires, we're kind of stuck in stupid here until we can get that done. So, let me show you something really cool we got in today. This is one of my favorites. We just got in here, I was telling you. 74 Bronco. Love my Broncos, had lots of them. Been a great time. Got typical 302, reasonably stocked build. A few upgrades here and there. But otherwise a very nice build and a super clean Bronco. No rust, very, very nice unit. Dana 44, power steering, power brakes, all that's been upgraded. Just check this thing out, it's pretty sweet. Been working on these things for years. I've had a lot of them myself. Still have a few, but right now all we're doing with this thing, we're just gonna do some maintenance. Do a few maintenance upgrades here, clean things up, and it should look good. So anything, early Broncos especially, I'm a fan of these things. I know them inside and out. This one, we're gonna get back up, get it on the road. Anything you need, Mike's Off-Road, come on down. We can get this taken care of.